The best red wines for beginners. Now, red wines can be more intimidating than white wines, especially for beginners. However, once you get into the world of red wine, it can be a lot of fun.
And if you're transitioning from white wine to red wine, today we're going to go over everything you need to know about red wines for beginners.
Coming up.
So in today's video, we're going to go over what red wines are, and then we'll go over our top 4 favorite red wines for beginners, which include Pinot Noir, Grenache or Garnacha, Tempranillo, and red blends.
And just a couple of disclaimers before we really jump into the meat of the video. First and foremost, if you're an absolute beginner to wines, this is probably not the video for you. Most beginners to wines prefer white wines as compared to red wines. So usually you start out drinking white wine and then transition to red wines. If you're an absolute beginner to wine, check out our previous video up above where we help you discover what wine is best for you to start out with. Also, if you're looking for a sweet red wine, this is not the video for you either. In our experience, we haven't found very good quality sweet red wines outside of dessert wines. So if you're looking for a sweet wine, check out our previous video up above, all about sweet wines for beginners.
So what is red wine?
So red wine is made from grape juice that is soaked with grape skins. So almost all grape juice, when grapes are pressed, comes out as white grape juice. So with white wine, it just uses the grape juice. However, with red wine, that juice is soaked with the grape skins, and that's how the flavor and color come out and make red wine.
Red wines have tannins, which protect the wine as it ages. Red wines are known to be very full, bold, and dry types of wines. So in our opinion, if you like bold white wines, such as Chardonnay, it's time to start experimenting with red wines. So let's start with our first favorite red wine for beginners, Pinot Noir. So what is Pinot Noir?
So Pinot Noir wine comes from the Pinot Noir grape. And the Pinot Noir grape is a red grape varietal. It's actually one of the oldest grapes known within France. So Pinot Noir wine is low in tannin levels, easy to drink, and it's not too dry. And that's what makes it a perfect red wine for beginners.
The Burgundy region of France has some of the most expensive Pinot Noir wines. Now today, Pinot Noir is produced all throughout the world, including France, Germany, Switzerland, Australia, New Zealand, Austria, and the US, which include California, Oregon, and Washington State. So why is Pinot Noir good for beginners?
So Pinot Noir has a softer and less powerful taste as compared to many other red wines. Also, like we mentioned earlier, Pinot Noir has a lower tannin level as compared to most other red wines, which can make it more desirable for beginner wine drinkers. The Pinot Noir grape is actually a mutation from the Pinot Grigio and Pinot Blanc grapes. So if you like Pinot Grigio wine, you'll probably like Pinot Noir wine as well. Now if you're looking to learn more about Pinot Noir wine, check out our previous video up above. So Pinot Noir wine is great because you can find it at almost every type of grocery store. The next 2 wines we're going to talk about are a little bit more difficult to find. However, if you go to a local wine store or say a Total Wine, you should be able to find them no problem, and they're great red wines for beginners. So the next great red wine for beginners is Grenache or Garnacha. So what is Grenache wine?
So Grenache wine comes from the Garnacha Noir grape. It is a very red wine in color and has aromas and flavors that are bright and fruity. This wine has a softer texture and is easy on the palate. It's known for its fruitiness and fuller body without the added tannins. Also, it has a relatively high alcohol content. This varietal is frequently used as a blending grape in red blended wines. So why is Grenache good for beginners?
So Grenache wine is good for beginners because it has a soft taste and typically has berry flavors to it. And this can make it really appealing to beginner wine drinkers. Now Grenache wine also has lower acidity and lower tannin levels than most other red wines. So if you like Chardonnay, this is a great wine for you to try. So another great red wine for beginners that might be a little bit harder to find, but is absolutely great for beginner red wine drinkers is Tempranillo wine.
But wait, before we move on, consider subscribing to our channel. We post weekly content on wine tips and tricks for any level of wino to enjoy the world of wine. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload new content.
So what is Tempranillo wine?
So it's a wine that comes from the Tempranillo grape. It is a widely grown red grape varietal that originates in Spain. And it creates a ruby red color with a full-bodied taste that is often low in acidity. So why is Tempranillo wine good for beginners?
So Tempranillo wine is a little bit darker than Pinot Noir. It also has a fuller body and slightly higher tannins than Pinot Noir does. So because of this, Tempranillo wine is a good transition wine from wines like Pinot Noir and Grenache to more intense flavored red wines, for example, Cabernet Sauvignon. And last on our list for the best red wines for beginners is red blended wine. So what are red blended wines?
Red blend wines are when you combine or mix grape juice from different grape varietals. For example, if you combine Pinot Noir grape juice with Cabernet Sauvignon grape juice. Pinot Noir, Tempranillo, and Garnacha grapes are frequently used in various types of red blend wines. So why are red blended wines good for beginners?
So the more grape varietals you have blended together in a red blended wine, the more they balance each other out with their flavors, and it can make for a smoother finish. Red blended wines are also a more cost-effective option that appeal to a variety of wine drinkers. When you're picking out a red blended wine, just make sure to pick out a wine that has a high percentage of a varietal that you enjoy. So for example, if you're a beginner to drinking red wine, you may want to get a red blended wine that has a high percentage of either Pinot Noir, Tempranillo, or Grenache grapes within it. Also, if you want to learn more about red blended wines, check out our previous video up above.
And that's everything you need to know about red wine for beginners. Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. We'll see you in our next video.
Cheers.